Integrating Uniswap Factory is a crucial step for developers looking to create decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap Factory is a smart contract that enables the creation of liquidity pools for various assets, allowing users to trade them in a decentralized manner. To start, you need to have a basic understanding of Ethereum smart contracts and the Solidity programming language. You will also need to have Node.js and a code editor installed on your machine. First, you need to install the necessary dependencies, including Web3.js and Ethers.js, which are JavaScript libraries that allow you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. You can install these libraries using npm or yarn. Next, you need to import the Uniswap Factory contract ABI and address into your project. The ABI, or Application Binary Interface, is a JSON file that describes the contract's functions and variables. You can find the Uniswap Factory contract ABI and address on the Uniswap documentation website. After importing the contract ABI and address, you can use the Web3.js or Ethers.js library to interact with the Uniswap Factory contract. You can use the contract's functions to create new liquidity pools, add liquidity to existing pools, and remove liquidity from pools. One of the key concepts to understand when integrating Uniswap Factory is the concept of liquidity pools. A liquidity pool is a smart contract that holds a reserve of two assets and allows users to trade them in a decentralized manner. When you create a new liquidity pool, you need to specify the two assets that will be traded, as well as the initial amount of liquidity that will be provided to the pool. To create a new liquidity pool, you can call the create pair function on the Uniswap Factory contract, passing in the addresses of the two assets that will be traded. The create pair function will then create a new liquidity pool contract and return the address of the new contract. Best practices for integrating Uniswap Factory include handling errors and exceptions properly and implementing robust security measures to protect user funds. You should also ensure that your application is compatible with different Ethereum networks, such as mainnet, testnet, and Ropson. In conclusion, integrating Uniswap Factory is a complex process that requires a good understanding of Ethereum smart contracts and the Solidity programming language. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully integrate Uniswap Factory into your decentralized application and provide users with a secure and decentralized way to trade assets.